All right, so this is the final product. So see how you don't see the writing on top? That's what I was going for. I don't want to see any writing. I mean, it's kind of hard because sometimes you have the barcode and stuff like that right there. But see, there's no writing anywhere around here. So that way, now it's gonna look more presentable. Um, so this goes right here, like in the edge, right? Sorry about that. So it goes all the way in the edge, and then the holes are in the bottom facing down. That way it drips down on all four sides and the water fills up and goes to the middle. I'm probably still gonna have a little bit of water right here, and that might be a problem. So I don't know if I'm gonna just fill this area up with something. I have no idea yet. But that might be a problem for future. It's way better if it's flat or a little bit higher on each side, so the water can drain straight to the middle. Kind of like when you make a bathroom, you want one side to the drain higher. So I did it today. I got look at my pinky all purple. So I glued this area right here. I did not glue, so I'm not gonna glue any of this, all these pipes. I'm gonna try not to, because when cleaning comes, say it gets clogged or something, I can take them apart, put them through the hose, clean them out, and then put them back on. So I did glue this area right here. So this fitting right here, I glued it, and I'm probably gonna glue this. I haven't, I don't know, I'm not gonna glue this yet because I don't know where the pump is gonna go exactly. I don't know if it's gonna go that way. I have no idea yet, so I'm not gonna glue that. This is the same thing. The siphon and everything, I did not glue any of that stuff because I'm gonna be able to take it out and fix it if I have to. I am most likely, because right here, I have a feeling there's gonna be crap falling in there. I did make holes there, so you could go through, but I don't think I made them big enough because I was afraid that rock was gonna get in there. So I don't know yet. Other than that, this is where I am right now. You guys, I have other videos in my channel. I have how to change your oil. I do a lot of DIY kind of projects. I like to do a lot of things myself. So if you guys like my video, please share it, like it, hit the little bell button so you can see when other videos are gonna be popping up. I don't only do DIYs. I do a little bit of blogging, and I have a lot in my mind, so that's why the channel is called What's on Airam's Mind. It's because my brain is going crazy sometimes, and I need to share it with the world. I have a lot of knowledge. I will be making some videos on when it comes to medical stuff. I am a paramedic firefighter. I have a lot of experience, law enforcement, so I will be uploading some videos of that. Please, like I said, comment, share. Thank you for watching this video. Much appreciated. Thank you.